The plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome to Amy's Art House. Today, I have a special Pokemon to share with you guys. I made a Pikachu for Diwali. If you celebrate Diwali, happy Diwali! I hope that you have a fun and safe celebration. So, I asked my Indian best friend what I should make and what color scheme I should use, and she said that since there's lots of lights and fireworks and things like that for Diwali, that I should make a Pikachu. And the colors that she said I should use are red, orange, yellow, and green. I know that in different regions of India and around the world maybe this varies, but this was her advice to me, so I tried my best to meet those goals. Unfortunately, I'm having some technical difficulties today, so I am not able to watch my video while I do the voiceover, which is so frustrating. But I use a variety of hole punches to make my pieces. I have large circular hole punches, medium oval punches, a lot I trace by hand, and that is what I do to make my paper Pokemon. Some of them turn out really well, some of them do not, but I am working on making every single Pokemon. I am determined to. And it's a very relaxing activity for me during the lockdown, so yeah, that's what I've been up to for the past 5 months. I hope that everybody has some fun craft ideas for this holiday season. I do have some things planned for Thanksgiving, so hopefully I will get some Thanksgiving Pokemon out in a week or two. I did do a lot of Halloween Pokemon last month, and I need to start thinking about Christmas Pokemon. If there are any other holidays that you'd like to see, and any suggestions of what I should make, please let me know. Maybe a Delibird for Christmas, because he's got a bag and he's an ice type Pokemon. Maybe. I think I took too long of a pause there. I'm so sorry. I'm also, not only am I having technical difficulties, but I'm also kind of tired today because I forgot about time zones, and that if I didn't release this video right away, then Diwali might be over in India by the time I get it done, and I don't know what happened that I forgot about time zones, because I watch lots of Twitch streamers and I'm very aware of what time it is for them compared to my time, and I'll think of that all day, but then by this evening I forgot about time zones. I guess everybody's entitled to a day where they're just a little confused. Oh, I hope everybody else is doing well though, and maybe a little more coherent than me at the moment. I've been working a lot of overtime. I always get really nervous doing iconic Pokemon like Pikachu. Several months ago I made a Charmander I did not like, and I never forgot about it. So if you want to find that video, you can go look for it, but I'm not going to provide a link because I'm very embarrassed by that Charmander. But I like this Pikachu. I think it turns out really nice. At some point I should rank the art that I've made by favorite to least favorite. I am going to sort them soon into Pokédex order, so maybe that's something to think about at the same time. Oh, and I've never celebrated Diwali, but I have to say I'm really missing Indian food right now. I moved to a different city, and there's just there's not any good Indian food around here, and it makes me very sad. My best friend that's from India, she is an amazing cook. Her food is so good, and I swear I would just show up at her place and just be looking in her fridge what food do you have? And I would just Oh, I sound so rude now that I put it that way. But yeah, I really like paneer dishes. I love pav bhaji. Masala chai is always good, especially now that it's a lot colder where I live. And I'm not a very good cook, so I don't think I could easily recreate some of the Indian dishes that I really, really love, but maybe someday. I mean, I've improved at craft, so maybe someday I'll become a good cook. But yeah, I guess that I am wrapping up this Pikachu. He's super cute. He's holding a sparkler. He's living his best life. I absolutely love him. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. It helps me out so much since I am a small-time creator. And I will see you guys all again soon. Bye!